I just dropped Carter off at school. My hair is still wet, which is why it looks like this. And his birthday is June 20th, but they're celebrating summer birthdays today. So I bought in the cute little dinosaur cupcakes. I use the word cute lightly, but he thought they were cool. My mom is here. She's leaving soon. She came yesterday. It was nice. But she just ran into the bagel place to get us some gluten-free bagels. And I'm so excited because today is my 25-week ultrasound and I haven't seen my sweet baby girl in like over a month. Why am I getting teary-eyed? I'm such a weirdo. Hold on. I haven't seen my sweet baby girl in a little bit, and since I have thyroid disease, they check on her quite often. I get an ultrasound every 4 weeks at this point. So I just cannot wait to see her, and what makes it even more special is that this is the first ultrasound my husband Chris has been able to come to for Ella. So I just have been looking forward to this day for so long, and it's also Friday when I'm filming this, so Chris gets out early and it's just sunny and I'm happy. Yummy. This is supposed to be an everything bagel, but it looks like sesame, not sesame, what is it? Poppy seeds bagel.
How was school today? Did they sing happy birthday to Carter? Yeah.
Did everyone like your cupcakes? Go ahead, get all your energy out before nap time. Let me see your shirt. What number is that? 3. You gonna get my mom? My mom's gonna go for a run with you? You wanna do that?
Get set.
Go.
Go.
Wrong way. Go, go, go. Boop. Do we have to change your shirt because you had peanut butter and jelly all over? Bubble. Say bubble. Careful. Tanner, say bubble. You have sunblock everywhere. Bubble. Good job, Bubby. Hi. Yeah? Careful. Good job. Oh, baby. So we are just going for a little walk right now. It's like almost 2 o'clock and the boys haven't napped, which if you're a mom, you know that's just scary. But Tanner's usually on his second nap by now, but they're still working on the bathroom and it's so loud, there's no way that they can nap. So hopefully they're gonna be done soon for the day. They were supposed to be done like a half an hour ago, so I'm just praying. I wouldn't mind if they fell asleep in the stroller, at least something, just so they're not so cranky. And I have a babysitter coming at 3 o'clock so that Chris can come to my ultrasound with me. My mom just left, and that is the update. I have the babysitter from 3 to 6, so I'm hoping that I can go to my ultrasound and then get a taco. After the last clip I took, I tried to transfer the boys to the car to take a nap, and that didn't really work as planned. And now Chris is home. We're on our way to our ultrasound. Again, you know, we're having our bathroom worked on, and I had to pull in awkwardly into the driveway or into the garage because of the way the workers' cars were parked in our driveway. Chris comes home, and then what happens?
Well, first of all, I had to park on the street and walked up to one of the workers holding Carter, which was kind of cute.
That was cute.
Kind of weird, kind of cute.
It's cute. He was like, hi, buddy, and Carter ran up to him, so he picked him up.
I had to get everybody inside because the babysitter was coming, and I closed the garage door as we always do. We always close our garage door.
When the car is not sticking halfway out of it, but yeah.
And the garage door got stuck on the back of Tiffany's car.
Was this the
repeatedly going up and down, just rubbing on it.
Was this the first time you've done that to my car?
That, yeah.
Alright, what's the other thing you did to my car with the garage door?
I backed in and didn't back in far enough, and it just
scraped my car.
Scraped it just a
and it's not even a year old yet. And have all of my Jeep letters that are no longer on my car anymore, and it's really sad. I hope they can put them back on somehow. But anyway, I am just so excited to see baby Ella, and this is Chris's first ultrasound. He's been able to come with me to.
Sure?
Yeah, for Ella, you haven't been able to come to any ultrasounds. So he hasn't even been to an ultrasound. Oh God, the babysitter is texting me already. Tanner's still.
Sierra said, an error comes up when I try to buy mud and stuff.
Oh God.
Should I try the other cars on file? Want to reply?
Yes.
We had our ultrasound, and our sweet baby Ella is 1 pound 10 ounces. I was a little disappointed because they said they can't do the 3D yet until I'm 28 weeks, and I thought it was like this time. So that was a little bit disappointing, but she was so cute. I'll have to like grab the camera and show you like closer up pictures, but she has like the cutest little button nose, and she seems like she has my big lips. Not that your lips, not that there's anything bad with them.
No lips. I'm thinking about doing the
lip injections.
Yeah.
And she kept like putting her hands to her mouth and like moving her mouth all around. And what did you think? This is your first one you got to come to?
She's adorable. I'm in love.
Like, what were you thinking when you saw it going on?
I love them. I think they're so like interesting to see everything.
Yeah, but she's such a cutie. Can't wait for the next one, because the next one is going to be 3D. And then
I thought you meant the next baby for a second.
No.
I'm like, wait, what's...
No.
And then, never a dull moment, when we walked out to the parking garage, somebody floored it in reverse and just smashed into a car and acted like they didn't do anything.
But there's cameras everywhere, so...
Tiffany jumped in front of the car and was like, stop!
Very funny. I ran to my car as fast as I could because I don't mess around, especially there's like cars crashing into people on purpose nowadays, and ain't nobody got time for that.
I think they're old, so...
I didn't
if you're
see
old
who
and
they
you're
were.
watching this and you did it, sorry.
Sorry, Grandma. Sorry, Grandpa. And they're probably watching this. Comment below, Grandma and Grandpa.
Yeah.
Janet and Ken.
We love you.
So I don't know if you can tell here, but that's her little nose right there, and then her lips. So freaking cute. Oh, and she has the chubbiest cheeks already. And this is her little profile. And then here you can see she kept like trying to suck her thumb and stuff. She is just so cute. She's perfect, guys. And I just want to cry. I'm so excited. This is living. Eat your chip. The best part about going out to eat with Chris is that I can double dip my chips and salsa. I'm spending time with you.
The best part.
Here's a normal person's meal. I picked you, picked two. I got chicken tacos. Come on. Chicken tacos, tamale, and then we have Chris. Wait, what?
I didn't know it was gonna be this much.
Did you get? How many? Is that?
3 chicken quesadillas.
That is not 3. How do you count? That is 6.
It's 3 because they double up the corn.
Let's see how much you can eat.
Yeah. Can't forget we're vlogging.
This is like organizational heaven. I didn't even know that they had all this stuff. But look at how cool. Organizing stuff makes me excited, you know that. I don't really know what I'd put in there, but still. I never knew they had all this stuff here. We're looking for laundry room shelves. And we're gonna pick out the stuff for our bathroom, the toilet and vanity.
Yeah, close.
Well, it's not focusing, there we go. This, I want it to be like this.
What's wrong with this?
Love it, that's perfect, let's see it.
I think it goes that way, right?
Yeah, that's
No,
perfect.
this way. Oh,
What?
it's hurting me.
Yeah, I think that's like perfect size for our laundry room. 1, this is hard because I have to pee, and 2, this is hard because they all look exactly the same to me.
You should just test one out.
Hi, Ella. I'm losing sight of my feet. You don't want any Reese's? Oh, honey.
Something about it.
Way to make me feel like a fat ass.
You are
Who else
pregnant.
buys Reese's at Home Depot?
Carter and Daddy gonna take a quick bike ride. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Say hi
Hi.
to the camera.
Hi, Dara.
What are we doing?
I'm taking the bike ride.
A quick bike ride, that's right. All right.
No.
No?
Yes.
Yes? Maybe? What'd you ask?
Where's that girl go?
Where'd that girl go?
Yeah.
Where do you think she is?
Playing.
You think she's playing?
Yeah. I'm going to see her.
You wanna go see her?
Yeah.
I think she went inside to do homework.
No.
No?
He's playing.
Why do you wanna go see her?
Oh no.
You don't know?
I want to see that homework.
So it begins.
I want to see that girl homework.
You wanna see her homework?
Yeah.
Alright, well,
What?
you'll have to check on her. You love girls?
Yeah.
Yeah? This boy.
Where's that homework girl?
Where's that homework girl?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I want to go see her.
How was your bike ride, babe? Huh? Was it good? Yeah, you're so cute. Tanner, where's your pants?
Ew.
Hi.
I want that.
Dinner's ready.
Cooling off, my baby.
Mm-mm-mm.
Macaroni and cheese and watermelon.
What, Daddy?
I was telling Carter
What?
when we were on our bike ride that what?
Ah.
If you want Santa to come visit you next Christmas, what do you have to do?
What?
What do you have to do?
Oh no.
Be a...
What?
What kind of boy do you have to be?
Oh no.
A good boy.
No.
No, you don't want presents from Santa.
Thanks for cleaning up all your toys, babe. Oh, and you're vacuuming?
Isn't that a little bat? He's a happy bat.
I'm a cute little bat.
I want to be upside down all the time.
He
All the
does.
time.
He's such a thrill seeker.
If you can't stop, honk! And then she jumped clear over the river and got the spider to save. Hooray! Yay for Heidi! Saved the day! What a fun! Hey, look! I've got floppy ears just like Heidi Hopper. Boing, boing, boing. Miss Marjorie's bookmobile's out of control. We have to rescue her and Maynard. And make sure no one else gets hurt. So for this mission, I'll need Chase. I'll need you to use your harness to lift Miss Marjorie to safety.
Alright guys, we're gonna end it here. We're all going to sleep. No group hug.
No,
We usually always group hug every single night.
Carter's
Never
overly
fails.
tired though because he didn't nap today because I'm working on the bathroom.
Oh,
Oh, my baby.
Tina's sleepy too. Alright,
Yeah.
so we hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.
No.
Good night, baby. We love you.
Love you so much. You're my best friend.
Bye-bye.
You want to bite your hand? I love you. And I love you. Make a finger winking. I'm so proud of you boys. So it is 7:53 and we're recording this on a Friday and I'm already in bed, but I am just so beat. 25 weeks pregnant with 2 toddlers is no joke. So I'm gonna just lay here. Do you have anything good to watch?
100.
Never mind. Maybe I will go to sleep.
As the leaves start falling down and the shadows